Welcome to our channel. Today, I will share a simulation of the US Citizenship Interview. To effectively watch this video, you can do the following. Step 1. You watch the video with subtitles a few times and then prepare the answers. Step 2. You practice the interview with the video without turning on the subtitles. Let's get started. P12?
That's me.
Hi, I'm Officer Alice. I'm assigned for your US Citizenship Interview today. How are you doing?
Hello, officer. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you. Please follow me.
Sure.
Please put all your belongings beside your chair.
Thank you.
Before we start the interview, I will need to put you under oath. Please remain standing and raise your right hand. Before we start the interview, I will need to put you under oath. Please remain standing and raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Lower your hand and have a seat, please.
Thank you.
Did anyone accompany you today?
No, officer.
Did you have any problems getting here?
No, I didn't meet any problem.
Did it take you long to find a parking spot?
No, it was quite easy to find a parking spot.
That's good. So, are you well prepared for your interview?
Yes, I am.
How long have you been waiting for me?
About 15 minutes.
Okay, why did you come here today?
I am here for my citizenship interview.
Why do you want to be an American citizen?
Because I want to vote in the next election.
Great. Do you have any questions before we start?
Yes, I got a traffic ticket. Does this affect my naturalization?
What happened?
The weather was bad last week, and I was worried about going to office late. So I ran a red light, and the police issued me a $90 ticket.
Do you have any other traffic tickets?
No,
Does the traffic ticket relate to alcohol?
no, officer.
This does not affect your naturalization. Please be careful when driving.
Sure.
All right, may I please have your green card, your state-issued ID, and all your passports?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. We will proceed to the civics test. The House of Representatives has how many voting members?
435.
If both the president and the vice president can no longer serve, who becomes president?
The Speaker of the House.
Who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Thomas Jefferson.
What are the two parts of the US Congress?
The Senate and House of Representatives.
Why did the colonists fight the British?
Because of high taxes.
Why does the flag have 50 stars?
Because there are 50 states.
Perfect, you got 6 correct. You passed the civics test. Now let's proceed to the reading and writing tests. First, please read the sentence on the tablet in front of you, please.
Which state has the most people?
Correct. Now I am going to read you a sentence. Please write the sentence down on the tablet for me. California has the most people. California has the most people. Excellent. You passed the English reading and writing test. Now we will move on to the next part. Can you explain how you are eligible to become a US citizen?
I'm over 18 years old, and I have had a green card for 5 years.
Please tell me how you received your green card.
My sister sponsored me. She is a US citizen.
What is her name?
Her sister's name is Lucy Lainez.
What date does your sister become a US citizen?
My sister became a US citizen on September 23, 2015.
What is your alien register number?
067785
What's your current legal name?
My current legal name is Jose Lainez.
What is your first name?
My first name is Jose.
Do you have a middle name?
No, I don't have a middle name.
Have you used any other name since birth?
No, officer.
Would you like to change the legal name?
No, I would not.
What's your date of birth?
My date of birth is November 17, 1990.
What is your country of birth?
My country of birth is Mexico.
What is your country of citizenship?
My country of citizenship is Mexican.
Are you still a citizen of that country?
Yes, I am.
What date did you get your green card?
I got my green card on June 14, 2019.
Do you want the Social Security Administration to issue you an original or replacement Social Security card and update your immigration status with the SSA, if and when you are naturalized?
Yes, I do.
What is your Social Security number?
7875427.
What is your mobile telephone number?
674-454-6789.
All right, are you Hispanic or Latino?
Yes, I am Hispanic or Latino.
How tall are you?
5 feet 4 inches tall.
What is your weight?
I am 145 pounds.
What's your hair color?
My hair color is black.
What color are your eyes?
Brown.
Was one of your parents, including adoptive parents, a US citizen before your 18th birthday?
No, officer.
All right, what is your current physical address?
10842 Cambria, Kia, Arizona City, Arizona 80123.
Have you moved since you applied for citizenship?
No, I have not.
Is your current physical address also your current mailing address?
Yes, it is.
When did you move to the current address?
February 2nd, 2023 until now.
Where did you live before?
9572 Canterbury Ellen, Omaha, Arkansas, 662.
When did you move to the address?
I moved to the address on June 15th, 2019.
All right. Are you currently employed?
Yes, I am.
What kind of work do you do?
I'm a game programmer.
Where do you work?
I currently work at Allen Control Systems.
What date have you worked there?
August 25th, 2022 until now.
Have you worked anywhere else in the last 5 years?
Yes, I worked at Viral Studios before that.
When did you work there?
I worked there on August 1st, 2019.
Okay. What is your current marital status?
I'm married.
How many times have you been married?
One time.
If you are currently married, is your spouse a current member of the US Armed Forces?
No, officer.
What is your current wife's name?
My current wife's name is Rebecca Bernal.
And her date of birth?
May 19th, 1997.
Is your wife a US citizen?
Yes, she is a US citizen.
What date did you get married?
I got married on October 12th, 2021.
Where did you get married?
I got married in the US.
How many times has your current spouse been married?
One time.
How did you meet your wife?
I met her at my friend's party in 2020.
Is your current spouse's present physical address the same as your physical address?
Yes.
Did you bring your marriage certificate with you?
Yes.
Do you have a common bank account?
Yes, I do.
Are you and your wife taxed jointly or separately?
Yes, we are taxed jointly.
Did you bring your tax return transcripts with you?
Yes, here are our tax return transcripts from the past 3 years.
What date did your current spouse become a US citizen?
My current spouse became a US citizen on December 14th, 2023.
What is your country your spouse from?
She is from Mexico.
What is your spouse's current job?
My spouse's current job is as a cashier.
Where does your spouse currently work?
My spouse's current work at Baskin-Robbins.
All right, do you have any children?
Yes, I do.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
Are your children biological to you?
Yes, they are my biological children.
Are your total number of children under 18 years of age?
Yes, officer.
Where do they currently live?
They currently live with me and my wife.
Can I see their birth certificates?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Have you taken any trips outside of the United States in the past 5 years?
Yes, I took 5 trips.
Did any of your trips last 6 months or longer?
No, officer.
How many total days did you spend outside the United States during the last 5 years?
136 days.
Where did you go on your last trip?
Mexico.
What was the reason for your last trip?
I visited my parents and relatives.
When did you leave the trip? When did you return?
I left the US on May 14, 2024. And I returned to the US on June the 7th, 2024.
All right, now we'll proceed to the next portion.
Sure.
Have you ever claimed to be a US citizen in writing or any other way?
No.
Have you ever registered to vote or voted in any federal, state or local election in the United States?
No.
What does vote mean?
To elect a new leader.
Do you currently owe any overdue federal, state or local taxes in the United States?
No.
Since you became a lawful permanent resident, have you called yourself a non-resident alien on a federal, state or local tax return, or decided not to file a tax return because you considered yourself to be a non-resident?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with any communist or totalitarian party anywhere in the world?
No, officer.
Have you ever associated with any group anywhere in the world that advocated any of the establishment in the United States of a totalitarian dictatorship?
No.
Have you ever advocated, supported and promoted any of the unlawful assaulting or killing of any officer or officers of the government of the United States or of any other organized government because of their official character?
No.
What does unlawful assaulting mean?
To attack someone violently illegal.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with, or have you ever provided money, a thing of value, services or labour, or any other assistance or support to a group that used a weapon or explosive with intent to harm another person or cause damage to property?
No.
Engaged, participated in kidnapping, assassination, or hijacking or sabotage of an airplane, ship, vehicle, or other mode of transportation?
No.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in torture?
No, officer.
Have you ever participated in intentionally and severely injuring or trying to injure any person?
No.
Have you ever participated in any kind of sexual contact or activity with any person who did not consent, did not agree, or was unable to consent, could not agree, or was being forced or threatened by you or by someone else?
No.
Do you understand what threaten means?
To tell someone that you will kill or hurt them.
Have you ever participated in causing harm or suffering to any person because of their race religion, national origin, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion?
No.
Have you ever served in, been a member of, assisted, helped, or participated in any military or police unit?
No.
Were you ever a part of any group, or did you ever help any group, unit, or organisation that used a weapon against any person or threatened to do so?
No, never.
Have you ever sold, provided, or transported weapons, or assisted any person in selling, providing, or transporting weapons, which you knew or believed would be used against another person?
No.
Have you ever received any weapons training, paramilitary training, or other military-type training?
No.
Have you ever committed, agreed to commit, asked someone else to commit, helped commit, or tried to commit a crime or offence for which you were not arrested?
No.
What does commit mean?
To do something wrong or illegal.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined by any law enforcement officer, military official in the US or elsewhere, or immigration official for any reason, or been charged with a crime or offence?
No.
Have you ever engaged in prostitution, attempted to procure or import prostitutes or persons for the purpose of prostitution, or received any proceeds or money from prostitution?
No.
Have you ever helped anyone to enter or try to enter the United States illegally?
No.
Have you ever gambled illegally or received income from illegal gambling?
No.
Have you ever made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the United States?
No, never.
Have you ever given any US government officials any information or documentation that was false, fraudulent, or misleading?
No.
What is misleading?
To be dishonest or intending to deceive.
Have you ever lied to any US government officials to gain entry or admission into the United States, or to gain immigration benefits while in the United States?
No.
Have you ever been removed or deported from the United States?
No.
Have you ever served in the US Armed Forces?
No.
Have you ever been discharged from training or service in the US Armed Forces because you were an alien?
No.
Do you now have, or did you ever have, a hereditary title or an order of nobility in any foreign country?
No.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
What is an oath of allegiance to the United States?
A promise to be loyal to the United States.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
What is work of national importance?
Tasks that are important to a nation during crisis.
Do you promise that everything you say is true?
Yes, I do.
You've met all the requirements, so congratulations! You passed the interview. Please look at the application on the tablet to make sure everything is correct. If it is correct, please sign and date here.
Sure.
Good. And here is the oath of allegiance to the United States. Please also review and sign at the bottom if you're ready. Great. Here are your documents and a copy of your interview results.
Thank you so much.
If there are no other issues, you'll get a USCIS notice form in the mail regarding your oath ceremony date in 2 to 4 weeks.
Thank you.
Congratulations again.
Thank you, officer.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.